Tamilisai Soundararajan and the Tamil Nadu BJP chief Annamalai have put up a show of unity. I'm referring to the picture that you see on your screens after a viral video showed Amit Shah schooling Tamilisai and a lot of suggestions that it was over her criticism of decisions taken by Annamalai. This photo op being done with a clear message that all is well within the Tamil Nadu BJP unit. There's been endless chatter about differences between party workers within the Tamil Nadu BJP, and this picture clearly in an effort to put an end to all of that controversy. Shilpa Nair is joining us with more details on this. Shilpa, days after that video of Amit Shah schooling Tamilisai went viral, and many, of course, went ahead and suggested that this was Shah scolding Tamilisai for taking a stand and questioning whether BJP should have allied with the AIADMK or not. This photo op with a message clearly that all is well within the Tamil Nadu BJP and there's no rift as many have suggested.
Well, that's right, Akshay. In fact, the Tamil Nadu BJP unit wants to send out a strong message that they are united, they stand united. Because remember, in the last couple of days, especially after the Lok Sabha elections results came out, there have been talks about how there is a rift within the Tamil Nadu BJP unit. Several leaders were unhappy with the manner in which Annamalai, the state president, broke off the alliance with the AIADMK, the manner in which he's been running the party, etc. While some leaders chose to speak it out openly, like Kalyan Raman, Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan was one amongst the leaders who, of course, went on to say that had the AIADMK and the BJP been in an alliance together, they would have won at least a couple of seats in this Lok Sabha election. She was echoing what some of the AIADMK leaders like SP Velumani had said. And apart from that, there was also a remark from her, which where she said that there are certain antisocial elements of persons with criminal background who've been inducted into the Tamil Nadu BJP. Now, these remarks of Tamilisai Soundararajan did not go down well with the supporters of Annamalai. We saw supporters of both Tamilisai and Annamalai having massive arguments on social media platforms, and this, of course, did not cut a good figure in terms of the BJP, Tamil Nadu BJP. And we also saw that video going viral when Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan was participating in that particular swearing-in ceremony of Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu. There was a video that went viral where Amit Shah was seen speaking very sternly to Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan, and that many speculated, saying that the Union Home Minister was giving a clear message to the senior leader, saying that things should remain, under control. The BJP should remain united in Tamil Nadu, and this is the context in which this meeting has happened. It is
so
Annamalai
what we're hearing is that Annamalai was the one who called on Tamilisai Soundararajan, and in his post on social media refers to her as a senior leader of the Tamil Nadu BJP. A clear attempt to issue a message that all is well within the unit. Thanks, Shilpa, for those details.